Hello and welcome to ED 793. This is Teaching and Learning in Higher Education, and I am Dr. Maggie Place. I am the Associate Dean for Graduate Studies and Extended Learning here at Widener University, and I have also been teaching as an adjunct instructor in the Center for Education for the last 4 years. This is the first time I am teaching this particular course, but I'm very excited about it, and I've taught a few courses that are similar to this course. I also took this course 5 years ago as part of my preparation in the doctoral program, and I learned a great deal from this course. We only have the next 6 weeks to get through a lot of material, so I want to give you an overview of what this course will look like and what the syllabus looks like here. And if you have any questions, please contact me either via email or by the telephone number listed here on the front of the syllabus. The syllabus will also be posted on Canvas, so you will get updated syllabi on a regular basis if I make any changes. So to begin, this course will start by looking at theory, and we will look at academic plans and academic disciplines. We are going to talk about developing curriculum and planning to teach, and then we are going to transition into talking about you as a teacher. So whether that is an interest of yours or whether you are just going to be learning more about that, we will transition into talking about teaching and evaluating. There are 2 required texts for this course. One is, in my opinion, a really great book to read about teaching in higher education. It is called The Skillful Teacher. I would say this is a fairly quick read and has some really great short chapters that capture the essence of what it means to be a teacher and what it means to engage with learners. And then we have Latuca and Stark, which is more of a theoretical basis in the shaping the college curriculum. And then you'll have additional articles and resources that I post throughout the course as well. The objectives here, of course, are to be able to describe some of these theories and methodologies. This I do need to edit, and we will have the correct objectives here, but I want you to get a grounding in the theory of curriculum design and teaching and learning. And then we will also be learning about, again, the philosophy of teaching. So we will use some projects. We are going to have 2 reading reflections, just because we can't get to all of the readings in the discussions, but I would like your thoughts on some of the readings that we have. There will be a case study on an institution, someone who's doing some innovative things in the world of teaching and learning. And finally, the bulk of your grade is going to come from a literature review and a presentation of findings. And I'm hoping that in that literature review, you can identify an area that is of specific interest to you, and then you can share that. So I'll have you submit your topic choices to me, and I'll make sure that not more than 2 people choose the same topic, so that when we have our presentations, we're learning some varied techniques and topics. And then finally, we'll have course discussions as well. This is the overview of the course. You can see our first few weeks are on the academic planning, discipline, and administration side. Then we move into the planning to teach, teaching, and evaluating. This is what might change on a weekly basis. I will be opening the modules on a Monday typically. The one exception is when we have Memorial Day. It will open on Tuesday. I believe that's the 29th. And so if there are any questions about the syllabus, please reach out and contact me. I will change that objective section, and I look forward to working with all of you in this course.